Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a group in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to chat and then you're going to click on this new chat icon over here at the top. And then you're going to type in the name, email or phone numbers of the people that you wish to add in the group. So you're going to simply type in the name and then select the person's account. And once you do so, you're going to click on this arrow over here and then you can give the group a name, and you can also add some other people's names, emails or phone numbers if you want to do so. So simply type that down and select the account of that person and give the group a name. For example, let me type in the name school, and then you can simply type in a message over here and then press send. And as soon as you do send a message, they'll receive that message as well and the group will be created. So that is how you can make group in Microsoft Teams. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.